So I want to send an automated WhatsApp message like this to all the details I have in this spreadsheet. And in this video, I'll show you how in just 2 clicks, I'm just going to send these bulk WhatsApp messages. First, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work. I'm going to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Now let me just open my WhatsApp and you can see the magic. The bulk WhatsApp message is sent to all the details who I have right over here in my spreadsheet. And do you think that this is a magic? No, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages directly from your Google Sheets. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect for free, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And right now, this discount coupon code is going to get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect. Then if you find it helpful for your new business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. There's one more positive thing about this discount coupon code, which I'll let you know towards the end of this video. First, let me show you how this automation can be created. For that, this is the most important window because we have triggered an action in this. Without getting into technicalities, let's just see how this automation can be created. For that, click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. It has given me the webhook URL, so let me just copy this webhook URL and open my spreadsheet. Now you have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, so search for the same, which is Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to install this extension. After you install this extension, just refresh your spreadsheet and you have to go on this extensions. You're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks, so go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, over here it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow as the webhook URL and enter the trigger column. So as you can see, this is the webhook URL which I copied from the workflow, so I've pasted it right over here. And for the trigger column, I've kept it as C because the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. Okay, so after you enter both of these details, just click on this submit and you're going to see it is saying setup configured successfully. Now we have successfully created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to click on this send test. Once we click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. So let me just open my workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response of the test data right over here, which will be the proof of our successful connection. So as you can see, we have successfully captured the details right over here. We have the phone, the email, and the name. This is the first row of our spreadsheet. As you can see, we have captured the details for the same right over here. Now let me just send an automated WhatsApp message to this user first, then I'm just going to show you how to send it in bulk. So I have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to use Pabbly Chatflow because in order to send automated WhatsApp messages, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow. You can use any another application of your choice, WATI, ASNC, WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly Connect supports all of them. For the event, you have to go on this send text message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just click on this Pabbly Chatflow account right over here. It is going to take you to the all Pabbly apps of Pabbly. Now you have to go on this Pabbly Chatflow and click on this access now. Now you're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and once you're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If not, till now, you're going to find the video right over here. You can refer to this video and learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now you have watched this video till here, so I have a special tip for you. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount, not only on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, but also Pabbly Chatflow. And we are also offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, so you can send 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. So you can try Pabbly Chatflow also for free. After you add your WhatsApp number from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then towards this API and webhooks. You're going to find this API token, so just copy it and paste it right over here in your workflow. Then click on this save and Pabbly Chatflow will be connected with Pabbly Connect. If you have already created completed this connection, you can go on the select existing connection and then save. Okay, now it is asking for the recipient WhatsApp mobile number, so we have that, but we have it in the response of a previous step. So we're not just going to copy paste it, but we're going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to map this, just put a slash and then search for the same and map it right over here. Now it is asking for the WhatsApp message, so I'm just going to simply copy the WhatsApp message from my previous workflow. In this WhatsApp message, if you want that, you also want to add the name of your lead so that they receive a more personalized WhatsApp message, you can do that too. I'm just going to show you how you can do this. So as you can see, I want to send a WhatsApp message something like this. Okay, so first I'm just going to correct the formatting of this WhatsApp message right over here. Then further I'm just going to show you how you can add the details of your lead. Okay, you just have to map the details right over here. So as you can see, I've successfully completed the formatting. Now let me just add the name of my lead over here. So I'm just going to put a slash, search for the name, map the name, demo user looking for your next home, and as you can see, then the rest of the message. I've added stars in the starting of the end of the text which I want to bold. You can also do this. I've completed this WhatsApp message, so let's move in further. It is asking for many another details, so leave it all blank because these are not required. Delete the keys right over here, switch on this mapping button, delete it, and click on the save and send test request. Before I click on the save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received, because I use dummy phone number. If you're using real phone numbers, you don't have to do this. Just directly click on the save and send test request button. We have received the positive response that the message is sent successfully. So let me just open my WhatsApp and you're going to see, yes, demo user looking for your next home, the message is sent successfully. But I don't only want to send a single message but bulk WhatsApp messages. For that, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on the send all data. All of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and automated bulk WhatsApp messages will be sent to all your leads. You can see only the name is changing, rest the details are sent, and the bulk WhatsApp message is sent successfully. So yes, with this you have successfully learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages without any manual intervention. And yes, like this you can go and try this for free. And further, if you want to learn more about this, I'll just let you know that over here you can go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, switch on this send on event button, and whenever you're going to add the new details, automated WhatsApp message will be sent towards them too. Yes, this is true. So go and try this. If you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. The workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.